We are going to talk about divergent boundary. Divergent boundary is the plates are moving apart from each other. They make volcanoes and earthquakes. They are found in the Great Africa Rift Valley and the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The Great Africa Rift Valley is located in Africa on the really side where this red line is at. Right there and there. And that is where the Great Africa Rift Valley is at. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is located in the ocean between Africa, South America, and North America. And this is where it is at. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge is right there in the middle of the ocean. You wonder what is a divergent boundary? How does it move apart from each other? Say these right here, the brown, say that is a plate, and this is two. Where the arrows are pointing, that's where they go. So that the plates move apart from each other, and then lava and magma comes up and forms under the plates right here. It forms around where this blue arrow is at, and then it moves upwards like this. It moves up, and the plates move this way, and that is what a divergent boundary is. A divergent boundary, again, is when the plates move apart from each other, and then magma comes up. And that's what is a divergent boundary is. I'm going to talk about transform boundary. Transfer boundary is the plates that slide past each other. They make earthquakes. Right here, they make earthquakes. That's what a transfer boundary makes. It makes earthquakes. Where they're located is the St. Andrews Fault, California, and that is right here. If you look at this picture, right here on this red and light blue line right there, that's where it's at. And it goes all the way down. Right there, that is where the St. Andrews Fault, California. You're wondering how they slide past each other. And I have examples right here. This is like looking on top of like all of the plates from the sky. So they would be moving, they would be close to each other, but they would be moving like this. From apart, they're sliding against each other. It doesn't matter what direction they are. They can slide this way or this way. It doesn't matter. Now, my second example from looking at it from sideways is like this. We have two things, and these are plates that right here. This purple plate is going that way, and this white plate's going this way. So they're going like that on each other, and they're separating from each other. And I said again, it does not matter which way it goes. They just go in one direction. And that is what a transform boundary is. Right here. But a transform boundary, that's how you spell it right here. That is the transfer boundary. We're going to talk about continental oceanic. Continental oceanic is the more dense plate goes under and the less dense plate goes above. And these are they're made out of earthquakes and volcanoes. They are located in the Andes Mountains, shown right here. That is where the Andes Mountains are located in South Africa, right there. And this is South Africa. And that's where the Andes Mountains are located. Now we're going to talk about how continental oceanic works. So the plate that's more dense go under. The one with less dense stays above and goes over. So it looks like two plates that are moving towards this one, and one's going under because it's more dense, and the one that goes over is less dense, like that. That is what continental oceanic looks like. We are going to talk about oceanic. Oceanic is where the older, colder plate has more dense. They are formed by volcanoes and earthquakes, and they are in the Andes Mountains. And if you look here in this picture, right here, you can see the Andes Mountains right in here. And there's Chile. And that's where it's at. And this is where the actually location of it, like here. And that is where they're located. It's like continental oceanic is, but it just, this one describes how the more dense plate is the colder one, and that's why it goes down more. And this right here where I've had the magma, that is where it gets warm. It gets hot, and then it makes volcano raise up in here. And that is what oceanic is right here. That's what oceanic is. Now, the last part of this project, I'm going to talk about the layers of the Earth. The layers of the Earth, of the crust, is at 0 kilometers. The mantle is located on the 30 kilometers right here. And this is the mantle right here. And this is the crust. The mantle's temperature is 1,000. The outer core is 129 kilometers, and the outer core the temperature is 3,700. The inner core is located 500, 200 kilometers, and the inner core's temperature is 400, 300. The crust is right here. That is all the crust around this little circle. The mantle is here in the middle, right here. Right here. The outer core is right in here, and you can't see my light. And this is the outer core, right here. That is the outer core. And that is the outer core. And the inner core is located right here. And it's the middleest part of the inner core. And that is what the layers of the Earth looks like. Thanks for watching.